How to add an MX record in cPanel using DNS Zone Editor. MX record or mail exchange record specifies a mail server responsible for accepting email messages. You can add an MX record using the cPanel's Zone Editor option. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Domains section and click the Zone Editor. Click the plus MX record button provided in front of the domain name to add an MX record. MX record for mail routing should have the lowest preference number. Enter priority 0. Enter the domain name of your mail server which you use in the destination input box. Now click the Add an MX record button. That's it. We have successfully added the MX record for the domain example.com. Thank you for watching.